Hi everyone, it's Bud. So today I'm doing the mini Countryman World Rally Championship car in box review. So yeah, let's get started. I mean, there's nothing in the box because it's all scrap what I just said. It's in the box. The box is open to make my life easier. When recording. There should be a video out already before this one goes up, explaining why this video is slightly different to my normal videos. Well, from this video onwards, while my channel is going to be slightly different than normal. Now, don't expect often uploads from now on. That's also explained in the channel. My uploads, because I've got some other bits and bobs to do. But yeah, there's an update video, should be up before now. Well, should be up before this video. If it's not, then it'll be up within about a day or two of this one going up. Not sure which way around I'm doing it yet. Anyhow, yeah, let's get recording. So, the mini box art looks really, really nice. Sorry about this light, let me... Yeah. Really, really nice. It's like, I want to create, when I'm on it, like mud all around the side, the bottom, and like mud on the tyres, so I'm going to have to get some actual help with that. As you can see, some decals, the rear wing, there. There's quite a nice detail, don't know what they are, intakes. I'm not too sure. Not too sure. It is a starter set. Yeah, so like I said, it's a starter set, so it comes with paints, glues, and paintbrushes. That is the actual size of the kit. So the actual size of the kit is about... There's the shell, so it's that size. I'll go on to that in a minute. Yeah, let's just flip it round. And down. Now, sorry about the lines, they will go. So there's the paints and all the numbers. So you can see the decals on the left and the right are the same. Yeah, they're the exact same. Yeah, identical. The tops and the bonnet is just like a load of mini numbers and whatnot. The front's just a load of... Let me turn this light off. Sorry about the dark, there we go. Well, it looks like a Subaru. Don't know why. It's not a Mini, it looks like a Subaru now. Weird. Sorry guys, you're going to have to put up with these lines. So yeah, you got that. Now these lines aren't normally a problem, but it's because I've got my on my mum's old phone, because that one there, which is the one I normally use to record, is a little bit fucked, if I'm honest. So yeah, I'll get into the plastic. So you've got left and right windows, bumper. It's quite a nice detailing on them. It's not only detailing, but there are holes which are going to piss me right off. I'm not sure if they're meant to be there. Looking at the box art, I think they might be there, but I am going to have a look. So yeah, I mean, I've got front and rear windows and also the headlights there and there. So yeah, hopefully that looks better than my Aston, because my Aston was my first car. Not gonna lie, it's a nice car. Meh build. Looking at it now, the bonnet's a bit off, but other than that, it went together quite good. You don't notice the bonnet placement very well. unless you look in one of the corners where it curves, or up close. That's the only reason you would notice it. Anyway, onto this detailing after I've done onto the parts after I've done the instructions. Now, I have recorded this a few times, so I know what the instructions are like. But the reason they haven't gone up is because my phone keeps crashing. So if I have to, and if it's like a bit offset and a bit awkward halfway through, it's because I've recorded two halves. I'll merge them. But yeah, anyway, go on. So you've got. What's that, guys? That might help balance out the lines. Not really. How about turning this off? Does it make any difference? Yeah. So yeah, I mean, I have got my room light on. I have to turn that off. My light on my bedroom ceiling on now to get rid of the lines because it's starting to do my eyes heading. So you obviously got the detailing there. Detailing. This one actually has. This one actually has springs right there, which the Aston didn't have unless it was built in. I don't know. I'll look at the instructions and let you know. Next video. God knows when the next video of this Mini will be. It's probably going to be the last set I build because I've got a Mr. Smith BF109, another one to redo because I got it for Christmas. I couldn't exactly say no because it was a Christmas present. It would just be rude and disrespectful and ungrateful. So yeah, I've also got two other kits, but I'm not saying what company or what they are because they're going to be in box reviews later in the month. Also, regards to that update video, it'll probably say more stuff that I'm doing on my channel, what I might add and take away from my channel, how I can improve it. You can tell me how I can improve on that video, please. I'm also going to ask YouTube and some other YouTubers to ask me how I can improve. So yeah, I mean, anyway, back to this video. So yeah, I don't know what they are. I presume caps. That's the flooring. You've got nice detailing on the floor. Then you've got the bucket seats and the spare wheel, or I'm presuming that's the spare wheel. I guess it is. Yeah, it's a spare wheel. You've got the. Hey, that's a new piece. That wasn't there on the Aston. That piece there, dash. Well, it certainly wasn't like that, to say the least. So yeah, and you've also got the. Hey, they weren't on the. Well, they were. These were on the Aston actually. These were actually on the Aston Martin, but they were actually on, as in part of the seat itself. So I had to paint the things separately, but they're completely separate. So I might get a little minifigure and get this belt. I don't know, might do, might not. The roll cage art's going to take a couple of days because that looks so confusing. Look at it. It looks so confusing. Yeah, there's obviously that. It's the roll cage there. The wheels. I'm confused. Hang on. Why is 8-9 got wheels on it? Look, wheels, and then but on step 13 it tells you to add the wheels. That makes no sense. Yeah, 11 and 12 don't have the wheels. That is really confusing, Airfix. Anyway, so you've got the wheels and the brakes and everything. Obviously you've got the clear plastic. I presume these are doors. Inside of the door panels. Looking at the next step, it looks like them. Sorry, got to turn the light on, sorry. Nah, it's not working, screw it. So yeah, that's quite a bit of a step of detail and everything. Obviously got the spoiler at the rear. I'm not sure if it's a spoiler or a wing or a lip. You can tell me in the comments. Can't enthusiast, tell me in the comments, please. So I don't want to be killed in the comments. I'm just grabbing the parts now. So yeah, now hopefully those lines won't be too bad. Shit, I jinxed it. Anyway, the shell was quite nice detailing, as you can see. It's about the size of my hand, the kit, so it's pretty big. Any noise in the background is just football. I've just got it on for a bit of noise, otherwise it's kind of really awkward for me to record without any noise. Yeah, so we've got the grill and the radiator, the grill at the front. Bonus intakes, I guess they're intakes, obviously the wheel arches, the doors. The rear lights and actually a mini thing, obviously number plate would go in that gap. The windows, the doors, aerial, there for those intake pieces. So yeah, inside there's nothing. It's just a load of ejector pins and everything. As you can see, it's just a load of holes and everything. The actual detail comes, like I said, these pieces here. So yeah, this is obviously what the shell would go on. So in case you're just wondering, it sits something like that on top of the chassis. You've got obviously the floor piece, like I mentioned. That's obviously where the spare wheel goes. Obviously the floor in itself, you can obviously see where all those holes are. There's obviously pieces going to go in there. So yeah, that's the main components, and this is all the little detail that brings the car to life. Oh, there's two big screws. Let's start off with the less detailed one. So you obviously got the two bucket seats here and here, quite nice detailing. The ejector pins are going to do my sweeting, but oh well. Got 5 wheels and 5 rears, which means 4 brake discs. 4 brake discs, 5 wheels, and obviously you've got the top half of the wing, so the bottom half is here. So those two pieces, that piece and that piece, is the wings. So you've got all the wheels. You've got the dashboard, like I mentioned in the instructions. You've got an intake. That's all one piece for the shell, which will go on there, I presume. Obviously the seat belts, like I mentioned, quite nice. Quite flimsy, I'm just feeling them, they're very, very thin. Obviously roll cage left, roll cage, sorry about that, that's just my calendar falling off my desk. Another bit of roll cage. Yeah. This is probably the longest unbox I've done, and it's going to be like this from now on, because I want to do it in more detail, so actually I get views and it's not like I just spent like 5 minutes doing an unbox, it's shite. Because some people have asked for the kits and I haven't done a very good unbox. Anyway, we've got the insides. You'll see that's obviously the door handle. Obviously the front radiator pieces. Ain't got a clue what that is. Ain't got a clue. Ain't got a clue. There are suspensions, steering wheel. Nope. I presume they're the wheel holder, whatever they're called. That's the suspension. Wing mirrors. Don't know what that is. Pedals. There. Pedals. I'm turning my light off so you can see the detail. Ready, set, go. There we go. So yeah, like I said, pedals. Ain't got a clue. Brakes, 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 brakes. Another suspension piece there and there. Dunno. Ain't got a clue, ain't got a clue, ain't got a clue, ain't got a clue. Windscreen wiper, rear screen wiper, presuming fuel tanks, roll cage. So yeah, there's obviously, as you can tell from that, it's quite a lot. I don't know what it is. I'm not a car guy. As you can guess from my channel, I'm an aircraft guy, because that's pretty much what my channel has, apart from one tank and one car. Otherwise all of it's aircraft. And that trend is actually going to continue. So yeah, I'm going to see you all later. Bye. Bye.